Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth like no other human relationships can equal to. A physical and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime. Dedication. To stay open to one another, to learn and grow, even when it is difficult to do so. And faith, to go forward together without knowing what the future holds for you both. While love is our natural state of being, these other qualities are not as easy to come by. May the promises you make to one another today be lived out to the ends of your lives. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered together on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Daniel Dorkowski and Macey Wilson.
I've been searching my whole life for you.
Marriage is a give and take between two personalities, a mingling of two endowments, which diminishes neither but enhances both.
I jump back into every memory.
Daniel and I had our fair share of spirited moments, but somewhere along the way, that sibling rivalry turned into a real bond.
Ever since I could remember, he has always tried to create the most unforgettable experiences for the both of us. There is never a dull moment with him.
From the first time you wrapped your tiny fingers around mine to the accomplished woman you've become. From singing Barney to Taylor Swift, from playing soccer to swimming, to basketball to volleyball. She's lifted our lives with immeasurable joy.
Get to your tie.
Thank you.
For you.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
Anyone would be lucky to have such an amazing partner where life will never become dull. And then there isn't a better match for my brother than Macey. From love of volleyball to love of animals and everything in between, you two are truly made for each other.
Remember to always communicate openly and honestly with each other. Make each other laugh, be each other's best friend. Never forget why you fell in love in the first place. It's been an honor, Macey, to witness your growth. You radiate grace, happiness, and we are so proud to call you our daughter.
Your relationship will take more than love. It will take trust to know in your heart that you only want the best for each other. You, with your family and friends as your witness, present yourselves willingly and of your own accord to be joined in marriage. Will you promise to care for each other and the joys and sorrows of life, come what may, and to share the responsibility of growth and enrichment in your lives together?
I will.
It is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Pull out your hand, just like that. Dan, put yours on top of hers. Y'all are married now. In front of God and all of the witnesses, that's the last time you'll have the upper hand.
Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. Let's roll that red carpet out.
To my sister and her amazing new husband, may your life together be filled with endless love, laughter, and memories. And here's to a lifetime of happiness.
Hands up to the sky, look at us now.
So let's wave our glasses to Macey and Dan. May your lives be filled with love, laughter, and happiness. I love you.
I just wanna